Forgot your Vivid Money password? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. In today's digital age, our lives are increasingly intertwined with online platforms. One such platform that has gained significant popularity is Vivid Money. It's a fantastic tool for managing your finances, but sometimes things can go awry, like forgetting your password. Understanding the process. So, what do you do when you find yourself locked out of your Vivid Money account? Well, the good news is that resetting your password is a relatively straightforward process. However, there are a few steps involved, and it's essential to follow them carefully to ensure a smooth experience. Step-by-step guide. Open the Vivid Money app. Launch the Vivid Money app on your smartphone. Navigate to the login screen. This is the screen where you usually enter your email address and password. Tap on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link or button, usually located below the login fields. Enter your registered email address. In the provided field, type the email address associated with your Vivid Money account. Verify your identity. Vivid Money may require you to verify your identity through a variety of methods, such as email verification. Check your inbox for a verification code. Phone verification. Receive a verification code via SMS. Security questions. Answer a series of security questions you set up during account creation. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Tips for a strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords. Confirm your new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Log into your account. With your new password, you can now log into your Vivid Money account. Additional tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Consider using an authenticator app or SMS verification. Bookmark the Vivid Money Help Center. The Help Center provides detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips. Contact Vivid Money Support. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, reach out to Vivid Money's customer support team. They can assist you with password resets and other account-related concerns. Forgetting your Vivid Money password can be frustrating, but by following these steps and keeping the tips in mind, you can quickly regain access to your account. Remember, a strong, unique password is crucial for maintaining the security of your financial information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.